Hi guys, so I'm back in the Colville National Forest again. Here to find two waterfalls today. They're not too far apart, so it shouldn't be too bad getting to both of them today. Kind of steep and brushy where I'm at right now, but a lot of bugs out today. They're getting pretty annoying. They're not biting, but they're getting annoying. But we'll see if we can find these waterfalls. See you when we get there. Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear it, but I found the first one. Pretty open in this area, so it might be hard to find a good composition, but we'll take a look and see what we can get. I'll give you a look at the falls now. Alright guys, I think I found a composition that might work. This location's pretty challenging. It's pretty brushy through here. I don't know if you can see behind me. And so it's really hard to isolate the waterfall with all this brush around it, but I don't see any way of getting the whole waterfall in, so I compromised and I'm gonna get just part of it in. But on the back of the camera, it looks like it's going to be pretty good, but I'll give you a look at the scene and walk you through the setup. Here's the waterfall, and I'm standing out here on an island. There's a small tree right behind me, but I don't have any brush in front of the camera, so that should be pretty good. But this is the scene I'm gonna shoot. Probably see my settings at 1/8 of a second, f/16, ISO 100. Probably shoot at f/16. I probably don't need to focus stack this, but I will just in case, and then I can decide whether I want to use it or not back when I get it back on the computer. And shooting kind of a small pano in here, get the whole scene in. That may change too, I don't know. I think it's a pretty good composition. Turned out okay, I'll put it up now. So I went ahead and hiked up to the top of the waterfall. This is the view of it from looking up above. I didn't really see any other compositions, so I think I'm going to start heading back to the truck and see if I can find that other waterfall. Sometimes when you're shooting a waterfall like that, shooting the whole waterfall may not be the best idea. Like in that one, I just picked out the elements, the main element that I liked in the scene, and then I just focused on shooting that. But we'll see how it turns out. Almost back to the truck, so start looking for that other waterfall. Alright guys, so I made it to the second waterfall, but I'll give you a look here in a second. There's hardly any water running right now. I don't know how big the falls are or anything. They should be, according to the coordinates, the GPS coordinates, should be right below where I'm standing right now, and I'm not hearing anything that sounds like a waterfall, so I'll give you a look, but I might try and get down below it and see if it would be worth coming back to when the water is actually running or not. But I'm guessing there won't be any photographs of this other than maybe some cell phone shots. But I'll give you a look at the stream right now. So that's the stream. Hardly anything coming down. That's disappointing because it was not an easy hike getting in here. Downhill pretty much all the way and no trail. So I had to bushwhack through here, and the bugs are swarming around me the whole way through. So kind of a miserable hike, but I made it here. I might as well go down and see if I can get a look at what the falls actually would look like from below. Alright, I guess this is the falls right here. Not much water. Looks like it's probably just a series of steps coming down. If there's enough water coming down, it might be pretty nice, but looking down there, I just don't see any way a person would get a really good shot of this, so I guess I'm done at this location. Try and make my way back to the truck. Hopefully the bugs don't eat me alive. I don't think I'll be coming back to this one. Lots of pretty moss around here, but it's kind of slimy too. Oh well, now I've seen it. It's time to head back to the truck. Alright guys, I made it back up to the road. I think I'm almost back to the truck now. Looks like it's going to be a little shorter video today, but that's what happens, I guess. Go into waterfalls not knowing what they look like. Sometimes they're good ones, sometimes they're not, but well, only one way to find out. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you leave any comments below, if you got any questions or anything, I'll be happy to answer. If you like the content on my channel, consider subscribing. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.